Hi, welcome back. It is the fourth and final week of the month of Fallout. So we started with the Hollywood Heroes miniatures, then we moved on to the NCR Ranger helmet as a gift for your boy Daniel Faulkner, who in return gave us a video where he made the fusion core. And this week we are following with the NCR theme and making the Sequoia, which is a big iron that you can have on your hip, which is the dream of all Fallout fans, even a fake fan like me. So I got the file from the exact same place I got the helmet from, which was the Galactic Armory. They had an incredible range of stuff, a lot of Star Wars, Fallout of course, and Skyrim. So I did a subscription to them and I've started to find a couple of files, so maybe we can have some more exciting video game themed videos in the future. Getting every routine by now, printed out all the parts, assembled, and then got to work on the painting.
Unfortunately, I forgot to get footage of me printing and assembling it, but you all know what a 3D print looks like by now, so I primed it black. I was ready to begin the painting after playing with it first. So I started with some Hoplite gold, a nice bright, vibrant gold, and started painting everything that would be in the crevices. I started trying to do it clean, but quickly realised it wasn't going to work like that, so the priority was just making sure everything fell into the recesses, and then I'm going to go back later on with a different colour to cover it all. But while that dries, I crack out the leather brown and get a nice decent coat down on the handle. Eventually, we're hopefully trying to make it look like wood. So then going back to the metal components, I crack out the dark grey that I've mixed myself. Started covering every part of the model that wasn't the gold recesses, which actually took 3 nights, but thanks to the magic of editing, it took 10 seconds. So with that all done, and a second coat of brown on the handle, that is all the base coats down, so it's just time for the final details. So using a brighter shade of silver, I cracked out a makeup sponge and started dabbing it on all the corners, raised areas, just to give the metallic bits some complexity. It might look a little bit cartoonish, but hey, it's a video game prop. We don't want it too realistic or the police will be on me. And I hand painted in a little star on the handle and touched up the gold where it was needed for the final step of using some dark wood speed paint. And the plan here is to let it be streaky and make all my brush strokes in the same direction to hopefully emulate the grain of the wood. And I think it's turned out okay.
And here we go, all varnished and finished. For honourable service against all tyrants, which is a wonderful philosophy. Yeah, I'm really pleased with how that turned out. Once I added the varnish, the wood effect looked a little bit better. I feel like it could be much better, but for a quick little project, an experiment, I think it turned out really good. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be really great.